At the age of 14 years old, I became interested in science. I had a high school teacher who talked with me about genetics, and my eyes just blew open. I went home and I realized I want to cure cancer. That was my 14 and 15-year-old response. My name is Jonathan Wettstein. I'm an associate professor of medicine at Harvard Medical School and Mass General Hospital, and I'm in the Cancer Center at Mass General. A lot of people, when they think of cancer or they think of cancer types, they get behind one kind. What the general public and I think what people need to realize is research is set out to discover something. Innovative discoveries allow you to cut across lines. It allows other scientists, whether it's the same lab or whether it's other labs or other groups, to then explore that in their context. In our own case, our American Cancer Society funding initially was in the context of lung cancer. That work has now led us into the context of triple-negative breast cancer. It's brought us into the context of neuroblastomas, because what we found is a fundamental process that translates. It may be that a discovery we find helps a pharmaceutical company, or helps another lab, or helps a biotech, or helps a diagnostic clinic come up with a new way to advance care. Every single person is on one team. We're on one team, and that is to get an answer.
The American Cancer Society is attacking cancer from every angle. We are here every second of every day with caring cancer information specialists available at 1-800-227-2345 or at live chat at cancer.org. But the help we provide starts closer to home, right here in New England.
In 2007, I lost my wife to cancer. My name is Roger Medeiros. I've been involved with the American Cancer Society for the past 10 years. The Road to Recovery is a volunteer driver program. They got a list of the drivers, and people call in and say they need a ride to wherever for medical treatment. I can look, see if there are any rides that I feel I'm available to do, and sign up for them right online. And then they'll provide the details. I do a lot of volunteer activities, but driving for Road to Recovery is one of the ones I enjoy the most.
My name is Andy Binger. I learned that I had cancer 2 days after Christmas in 2015. I was actually sitting with my kids having a Christmas day. Very, very humbling day that is. I was further diagnosed with my throat cancer and referred to treatment here at Dana-Farber. So my mind starts going, how am I going to get down here to get treatment for 40 radiation treatments plus chemotherapy? And then they asked me, have I heard of Hope Lodge? I said, no. So the nurse took it upon herself to refer me to Hope Lodge. A week into my treatment, I had a space at Hope Lodge. So I was able to move in. Changed the whole story is living here at Hope Lodge. You can come here, go to your room, go to a comfortable place, sit in front of a fireplace, read a book, do nothing or have time with fellow cancer patients. Your body, along with the doctors, are fighting this terrible disease. But the people sitting right next to you are going through the same thing. We're all fighting cancer. It's very comforting to be amongst people who are doing the same thing. And you can't do that anywhere else. Hope Lodge gives that to you. And it's a setting that's comfortable.
When I was diagnosed with retinoblastoma at 2 months old, one of the places my parents got the info they needed was at the American Cancer Society's website, cancer.org. Every year since then, we've celebrated me being a cancer survivor with friends, family, and neighbors at the Relay for Life. I hope everyone gives what you can to the American Cancer Society so they can keep attacking cancer from every angle.